Hey, happy 4th of July, everybody. As we celebrate our independence, unfortunately, some of our beautiful creatures have a lot of anxiety during this time of year. So this is just a reminder, if you have a pet that doesn't do well with loud noises, do what you can to help them. If you probably are already thinking about this, I have a couple solutions that work for me. I'm camp hosting in a busy campground. I can't avoid the fireworks display. But here's what I can do. I'm going to show you what I do, and maybe it'll help you out. A couple years ago, I discovered Doggy Hush, these cones that go over her ears. They come in different sizes. Great company. The lady that makes these is just wonderful, and I highly recommend them. They do a great job. They look a little weird, and she takes some getting used to, but they work. I got this from Amazon. It was pretty inexpensive. Thought I'd try it, but it's kind of warm. It's not great for the warmer months. It's kind of hard to put on. She doesn't seem to like it very much, but if you get the right size, and depending on what your dog likes, some dogs really like this sort of thing. Daisy's not loving this. It's kind of comical. Another tip I learned from someone, if you go to YouTube TV or YouTube, I use YouTube because I'm familiar with it, and you put it on your television and you can search for dog anxiety. In this case, I search for 4th of July music anxiety relieving shows for dogs, and I found one specially made for 4th of July. Check this out. This one is over 11 hours. I mean, it's only going to take an hour for the fireworks to be over, so it's great. But if you're going to be gone for long periods of time, I found this to be very helpful when I have to leave Daisy alone. So this is something to consider. I also made her a nice spot underneath the table, a place where she can be comfortable. I've also put a mat in the bathroom. This is her favorite place to go when she's scared. It's in the back of the RV. She's in a small spot and she feels comfortable here. So make a comfortable hiding place for them. If you have a crate, put a blanket over it. That can be helpful as well. They're den animals, so they might like that. Even the bathtub could be a safe place. One time we discovered we were at someone's house and the thunder happened and she ran to someone's bathtub. So you can put towels or blankets in the bottom of the bathtub, and that can be their safe place on 4th of July or during thunderstorms. Whatever you have to do. We can also put a speaker in there and put some music in there for her, which we have done on occasion. The idea is to give them a safe place that they can hide or feel better and maybe make noise that will drown out the fireworks. Ultimately, they are going to be scared. They're probably going to have to deal with it. But just letting them work through it, and when you get home, just give them lots of love and biscuits, depending on the situation. I trust that you'll know just what to do with your pup, and I just wanted to share these ideas with you. And let me know in the comments what you think of these ideas, or let me know what works for you. What have you found helps your dog when there's loud, scary noises outside? Thanks for watching, you guys. And I am trying to grow my channel, so if you don't mind subscribing and watching all my videos, I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.